everybody, it's Strawberry Bunny. So today I'm going to open this 25 Days of Christmas snack box. Each one of these look like little books, and this is from the popcorn company, as well as there's also some nuts and some cookies, I think. But this is Countdown to Christmas, and this was originally $75 and I got it for 75 or 80% off. So I don't know what's in this, but let's go ahead and open it. So the first one says "Oh Christmas Tree," and it's a little book, and it says "Not a Toy," probably on all of them. So mints, the soft mints, and then these are little truffles. So that's fun for the first day. So let's open the second day. So the second day has holly, and it says Jolly Holly. All these boxes have a whole bunch of the goopy, like, sticky stuff on them. But these are, they feel like the chocolates that you would like stir into your coffee that are kind of waffly. That's what they feel like. But let's go ahead and just open one and see what it is. Yep, that's exactly what they are. And the inside is probably coffee or chocolate flavoring. And so I was gonna wait on opening this box like till next year, but everybody that comes over to my house wants to eat all the snacks. So today is like really snowy and awful outside. So we're trying to watch Willow, and possibly I'm gonna try to convince people to play Fortnite with me. So, and then we'll have snacks. All right, the third box is that it says "Let It Snow." And on this side, I love that has Jack Frost. So it's supposed to look like two bookends. And I think after I use these boxes to open this and eat all the snacks, I think I'm gonna keep the boxes to gift things for people next year. And this one is sugar covered little gumdrops. 2 sets of those. Oh, one is cinnamon little candies, and one's the gumdrops. And since this whole thing is from the popcorn company, I'm sure that the larger boxes will have popcorn. So this one is 3 books. One says "Silent Night," "Mingle and Jingle," "I'll Be Home for Christmas." It slides open like that. We've got chocolate peppermints and a whole bunch of different colors of gumdrops. I actually love gummy candy, so I'm kind of excited about the gumdrops. We're getting closer to the big ones. So the next one is this green one that says "Holiday Countdown to December 25th, which is what this is. And that you could totally put like a shirt, a pair of pants, or a sweater in. And this says "Kettle Corn." Yeah, popcorn. And more gumdrops. The next one says "Deck the Halls," and added more holly on it, like the second book that I opened. This one has G&M ginger snaps, which I don't know if anybody's seen the ginger snaps like werewolf trilogy. I love that thing. Okay, and more ginger snaps. Okay, so we have reindeer. It's gonna be difficult. I'm gonna have to open it. It was super stuck with the sticky stuff. There's like so on there, I had to pry it off. Okay, so this is a big box. That's a book that says "Reindeer Crossing." Love the little reindeer on it. So in this one, we have 6 ounces of kettle corn, contains soy, and 6 ounces of kettle corn with the soy as well. So we have one more box left, and then after I open that one, maybe I'll open some of the kettle corn so you can see what that looks like. Okay, last box. But this one looks like it's multiple books, even though it's one. I'm sorry, the plastic is so loud. Okay, so it says bundled up holiday memories, wrap it up, North Pole greetings, and season splendors. And on this side it says season splendors, this side it says bundled up, and let's see which way it opens. Whoop. Okay, so in here we've got, I don't know, mystery bag. We'll have to open that. Another mystery bag. Another mystery bag. And a giant bag of caramel corn, 12 ounces. And caramel corn, 12 ounces. So I'm gonna push pause and open up one of these mystery bags. Alright. Mystery bag that was in the big box. Oh, pretzels. I'm not a big pretzel fan. I like mustard pretzels, and I like pretzels if I can dip them in a ton of cheese. But they actually look pretty good though for packaged pretzels. So let's open something else. Let's open one of the bags of kettle corn. So this is one of the small bags, the 6 ounce. Ooh, looks pretty good. You see that? Yeah. Oh, that's good. It's like buttery, soft kettle corn. So now let's open the caramel. Alright, here's one of the big bags of caramel. I can open it. Ooh, look at that. I wish you could smell this. Oh, it smells so good. I love caramel popcorn. Really good. It actually tastes quite fresh, like they popped it pretty soon. It doesn't taste stale or like that weird fake taste, you know what I mean? Okay, let's try the truffle. Guys, that seems pretty good, right? Ooh, a chocolate truffle. Little chocolate truffle, kind of like a bonbon. Inside is just more chocolate fudge. It's pretty good. Now, I don't know if there was anything else that we didn't see. Here's the last thing that I didn't open. The ginger snaps by J&M. So that must have been the other company besides the popcorn company. So here are the ginger snaps. And I just think it's cool that this box, not only, you know, you're gonna eat it all, right? But since there was a lot of gumdrops and ginger snaps, you could use all of that for a gingerbread house to decorate on your table. It's pretty cool. Oh wow, this is really ginger cinnamony. It's good though. Alright, but thanks for watching. I hope you like, share, and subscribe. And yeah, I'm gonna go watch Willow. Bye. Okay, here were the gumdrops, by the way. I was gonna try one just to see what that was like. Oh, really good. The red one is definitely cinnamon. Let's try the purple. Overly grapey. And the white. Oh, the white's good. It's like a citrus.